I think one of the biggest challenges is the immediate dopamine hit we get with AI. You ask a question and it gives you lots and different answers, and that feels really good. The problem that comes up in that is, have you asked the right question? If you haven't asked the right question, all those answers are not very useful. So I think the first part about this human AI interaction is remaining conscious of the level of human agency. And the level of human agency is about defining the problems that you need to solve before you start looking for solutions.
Mm.
And I don't see anytime soon that AI is going to define the problems for us. Maybe that's going to come. Maybe it's going to become so smart that it even defines the problems that we need to solve. But I don't think that's going to be there.
Okay.
And I think that part is really, really important. The second thing that comes up is sort of a cognitive offloading, is when we ask the question, we get an answer and we say, that's pretty good. But just like you're doing with yourself, the first answer that you get for yourself or the first answer you're getting from AI is usually not the best. And we talked more about how do you build ideas. It's about building persistence and continually pushing it further, further, further. So the first part is asking the right question. The second part is not being satisfied with the answer that you're getting and pushing it harder. And the last part, and this is really, really critical, is to use your human intuition to evaluate the answers that you're getting back. And
Uh,
and
yeah,
I
so
think
100% spot on. It's for me still the intuition that is so important, that you know what's right or not. So yeah, good point.
and it's about having the expertise to evaluate that. And some of
Mm.
the things that comes up is people believe I don't need expertise now because AI can do everything. Actually, you
Yeah.
need more expertise than you did before.
Mm.
And what I'd like to do is give you a really practical example for just a second. In chess, we know that AI can beat human beings. Okay. So the best human beings don't beat the mediocre AI. But what you might not know is a chess master plus AI will always beat the AI. Always.
Okay. Yeah.
So what's happening is you take this massive power of AI and you add the human intuition and expertise and you put the two together, and that is going to be better than what you get from AI. But it's not AI plus a novice chess player that's going to beat AI. It's AI plus an expert. And in every field that I see, it's AI plus an expert that gets you to the goal that you need to get to. So we're actually getting to the point where there's what I call a renaissance of expertise, where everybody's above average. What you need to be is exceptional. And you
Mm.
need to focus on certain areas where you build exceptional expertise.
Yep.
And I think that's the future.